Assalamualaikum students, it's D1 for class 6 till 1A we have done all, 1B 2 questions we have done, and we will start from question number 3 today. Question number 3, it's intermediate level. Find the largest whole number which is the factor of both 42 and 98. Before we have done the highest common factor and the lowest common factor, okay, but today we will find the largest whole number. Question number 3, values are 42 and 98. So firstly we will do factorization. 42, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. We will firstly check that is it divisible by 2, divisible by 3, and then we will go to other, or this is 42 and it can easily, because it's even number here, so it can easily be divided by 2. So 3 7s are 21 and 7 is 7. The next is 98. So 2 4s are 8, 1 we will carry here, okay, and 2 9s are 18. So 7 7s are 49 and 7 1 is 7. Till here clear? Okay, then we will write the factors of 42. Factors of 42, 2 into 3 into 7, and factors of 98 are 2 into 7 into 7. Okay, and we will just, because we are discussing about largest whole number, okay, and for largest whole number we will take only common. So we will write here 2 into 7 and it will be 14, and 14 will be answer. Clear students? Okay students, now come to question number 4. The numbers 792 and 990 written as the products of their prime factors. Already now they have given prime factors. Firstly we were doing prime factorization, but now they have given already. Hence find the greatest whole number that will divide both 792 and 990 exactly. Clear? So you will write here and you will just do the common factors and you will multiply as we have multiplied in question number 3. So question number 4 you will do by yourself. Clear to all students? If you feel difficulty, you can take help from notes, and if you again feel difficulty, so you can just write me in next comment and I'll do this question again. Come to question number 5. The numbers 176 and 342 written as the products of their prime factors are: 176 is 2 raised to power 4, 4 is index notation and multiply by 11, and 342 2 into 3 raised to power 2 and 19. Hence find the smallest whole number that is divisible by both 176 and 342. This question we will do, okay, I'll do by myself on sheet and I'll clear, because here is index notation and question is smallest whole number. And question number 4, largest whole number, greatest whole number you have done already in question number 3, but it is smallest whole number, it is the change one, so I'll do on sheet by myself. Clear? Okay students, I have written this question. Prime factors of 176 2 raised to power 4 and 11, and prime factors of 342 2 into 3 raised to power 2 and 19. But first before doing and solving the question, firstly we will write in simple form. Okay, prime factors of 176, 2 raised to power 4, so we will write 2 in 4 times and then 11, okay, and 342 2 into 3 we will write 2 times and then 19. Clear students? Now we will just check that which are the common. Only one is common here, so we will write for the smallest whole number, and 2 this we will write for one time, and then again 2 into 2 into 11 into 3 into 3 and 19. So you will use here calculator and you will find the answer. The answer will be 30,096. It will be the answer. Okay, and other questions, if you will find difficulty, so you can ask me, and question number 6 is same like this. Okay, and you will do by yourself. Now come to question number 7. Hussein needs to pack 171 pens, 63 pencils and 27 erasers into identical gifts bags so that each item is equally distributed among the gift bags. Find the largest number of the gift bags that can be packed, and second part, the number of each item in the gift bag. Okay, I have written the part here, question here, the largest number of gift bags that can be packed. So 3 values are there. First is 171, second is 63, and third one is 27. We will do again factorization of it. 171, 3 5s are 15 and 2 we will carry here, and 3 7s are 21. Again 3 1s are 3 1s are 3 and 2 we will carry here, and 3 9s are 27. And now students, tell me that 19 is prime number, composite number, even number or odd number. So 19 is prime number, so it will not divisible by any other number, so we will write here 19. Next value is 63. So 3 2s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. 3 7s are 21 and 7 1 is 7. Clear? Now the last is 27. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9 and 3 1 is 3. Firstly, we will write all these values, and after that we will write prime factors. First of all, 171, 3 into 3 into 19, and then 63, 3 into 3 into 7, and then 27, 3 into 3 into 3. We have written, what we are just finding, we are finding the largest number of 171, 63 and 27. So what we will do, we will check that which are the common factors. Which are the common factors? We will write only these. So 3 3s are 9 and 9 is our answer. 9 is our answer. So second part, the number of each item in a gift bag. So number of each item means, tell me students, number of each item means which are not common, which are not more than one. So these are each. Okay, वो एक ही है. Which are these? In 171, 19, and in 63, 7, and in 27, 3. So these three are the each items which are in these three